Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming compatibility and getting essentials ready: the Google Home app, your Wi-Fi password, and the smart plug nearby. Plug the unit into power and put it into pairing mode, usually a flashing LED, because Google Home needs that signal to discover new devices. Once done, open the Google Home app and tap Add, then Set Up Device. Make sure your phone is on the same 4 GHz network as the plug. This is required for most plugs to register correctly. Next, you'll link the plug's cloud account to Google Home so commands route properly. Tap Works with Google, select the plug brand, and sign in with the device account credentials. You're granting the Home app permission to control that device. After the link, Google Home will show discovered devices. Select the plug, assign it to a room, and give it a clear name for voice commands. Make sure to test a simple on/off to confirm the link. This confirms API access and correct device mapping. Finish by testing voice control and automations. Say, "Hey Google, turn on," followed by the plug name, and observe response. If it fails, reboot the plug and your router, then recheck that your phone and plug are on the same 4 GHz network because many plugs don't support 5 GHz. Once done, update the device firmware and the Google Home app. These often fix instability. If the plug stays offline, perform a factory reset on the plug and repeat linking as a final step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.